Okay, tonight I'm trying a recipe by Olivia at Odd Society Spirits. It's called Salem the Cat, but I just realized a few minutes ago I don't have Cassis. I gifted my last bottle to my ex's mom who loves it, so no Cassis. So I'm making up a drink. Inspired by Salem the Cat. Salem the Cat is actually Mongrel Anish Rai by Odd Society, Mia Amada Amaro by Odd Society, also Odd Society's Creme de Cassis, a little bit of Fernet Branca, and Pernod, but I don't have Pernod, so Chad, my lovely friend at the Straight and Marrow, said it's okay to sub this. So this is loosely based on Salem the Cat. I've already poured an ounce of this. I had to pause when we start because it took me 2 minutes to get the cap off of this. I'm going to use a bit of that because I don't have the Cassis. And then I found this in my liquor cabinet. Some Woodford bitters. It's quite lovely, quite caramely. Gentian root and spices. Picked up in Kentucky. And the rest of Olivia's recipe. I've already poured a bit of this and the Amaro. An ounce of this and a half ounce of the Amaro. I'm going to do a half ounce of the Benedictine also. A little bit of, just a few dashes of the Woodford bitters. And I think she called for a splash of the Fernet Branca. So we'll do that. Just a dash. Stir, and of course I didn't prep my ice, so this might be a 10-minute video after all. Never the bartender. Sorry. I forgot that absinthe. Of course I did. Just a splash of absinthe. Nice thing. Salem the Cat. Cat eyes. Woo! That was not a very finesse moment. Typical me. Alright. So I do keep all of Odd Society's spirits in my cabinet. I just don't have any Cassis. Creme de Cassis at the moment. So it's cool. I had my own brandy cherries that I made myself, but I gobbled them up and I don't have any Luxardo cherries, so another substitution, I'm using orange Again, this is obviously not the Salem the Cat anymore. It's inspired by. So we'll see how it goes. I've never made an impromptu recipe myself. So it should be interesting. Strainer. And of course I never have my tools ready. I'm learning to also taste my cocktails before I... Ooh! Wow! That's quite lovely. It actually reminds me of having Salem the Cat at Pod Society. Hi, buddy. Hi. What's that? Alright. So haven't used this coupe in a while. Cute. Ooh. This is pretty boozy. Orange and lemon. Just trying to decide what would go. I think the orange. Sure. Inspired by Salem the Cat. Is quite lovely, quite boozy, bitter, has a little bit of anise flavor to it, but it's warm. I know, buddy. Somebody wants outside. She's not allowed outside. Cheers.